Hi, today from Keyless Entry Remote, I'm going to show you how to replace a key fob battery. The key fob I'm showing you today is compatible with the 1991 through 2001 Acura NSX. The part number on the back of this 2-button key fob is GJ8008E6001-08E61SL0200001. To open this key fob, your first step will be to take a small Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws from the back side. Once you've done that, the key fob should come right apart. Once you have the key fob open, you'll notice there's 2 batteries for this key fob located there. Slide the old batteries out. The battery used in this key fob is a CR1220, and again there are 2. To replace the batteries once you have the old ones out, make sure that you have 2 and you slide them both back into place, plus side up. Once you get those back in, you can replace the back cover. And then your last step will be to tighten the screws back in. Once you have both of the screws tightened back in, you're done. If you need to order a replacement battery or an actual key fob remote, click on the link in the description below or visit our website at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100. Again, you can click on the link in the description below, or you can visit our website at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100.